Imagine a drone so versatile that it can conquer deserts, mountains, and snowfields, all with pinpoint precision. Meet China's groundbreaking all-terrain drone, Lynx, a technological marvel that's redefining unmanned exploration. The Lynx drone, developed by Chinese innovators, is not just your average flying machine. Its design combines advanced aerodynamics with a rugged frame, making it capable of enduring extreme weather conditions and challenging terrains. The Lynx all-terrain drone features a 100 km/h speed, 6-hour battery life, 50 kg payload, retractable wheels for any surface, and AI for mapping and obstacle avoidance. The Lynx is not just a tool for exploration, it has practical applications in disaster relief, military operations, and environmental monitoring. For instance, during rescue missions, it can navigate through dense forests and deliver medical supplies to unreachable locations. What truly sets the Lynx apart is its artificial intelligence. It uses advanced object recognition to avoid obstacles, identify targets, and even map terrain in real time. This makes it ideal for autonomous missions in unpredictable environments. China's Lynx drone is also a game-changer for environmental research. It can survey glacier movement, monitor wildlife populations, and even track climate change data with unparalleled efficiency. Whether it's saving lives, exploring the unknown, or advancing science, the Lynx all-terrain drone is a testament to how far drone technology has come. It's more than a machine. It's a glimpse into the future of innovation.